Okay guys, we are going to try to make some strawberry southern sweet tea. And I've got these strawberries from my freezer. I'm not going to put any water in right now because there's so much moisture from being frozen. So we're going to let that kind of warm up a little bit. And then we're going to try using this, just a sugar alternative. I have not tried it in tea before, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so now that they're starting to thaw, I'm going to add some more. And just let that continue to thaw out, and then we're going to add some of our sugar. I'm sorry guys, I didn't hit record, but all I have done is I put a cup of my sugar substitute in. This one says it measures cup for cup, just like sugar. So I've added 1 cup. The recipe that I found is for a gallon of tea, and it calls for 2 cups. But right now we're starting with 1, and we're just going to cook this down and see how sweet the strawberry syrup is. We can always add more. Just going to let that steep. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and strain what we've got here. See if we get any more liquid out of that. This could be used for an ice cream topper, or if you wanted to put it in your tea, you could. is good. If it was real sugar, it would be better, I have to be honest. But it is good. They have a great strawberry flavor there. You could also do this with peaches. Probably just any fruit. But I think strawberry and peach would be the best. Anyway, you guys have a great day.